Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, an alien gave me a box from Area 51. Sorry, I'm eating eggs right now. Okay. I do have a box. I found it outside my door. It says my name on it. I'll be opening this box. I say that, but like, I'm gonna fail to open it with my hands. Y'all really don't keep scissors anywhere, do you? Failed to open this side. Haha, I'm so smart. Wow. Okay. Ooh, it's a Switch game. Super Mario Odyssey. Pretty. What's this? Wait. This is a Switch. The fuck? I didn't order a Switch. Wait. You got me a Switch? What the fuck? Why? Why? I mean, like, okay. But like, swear to God, if my brother sees this, he's, oh my God. I'm not showing this to him. I want to open this. I'm gonna. This is actually a Switch. It's not even empty. It's actually, there's a Switch in here. That's a Switch. This is a Switch right here. Right, okay. Yep, that's a Switch. There's a charger and everything. Could you actually get me a Switch? Oh my God. What do I tell my parents? What do I tell? It's like, oh no, I just got this in the mail. It's, promo sponsor from Nintendo. Holy shit, this is a whole ass Switch. I didn't even finish eating lunch yet, and I just got a whole ass Switch. What the fuck?